I work from home and take a lot of phone calls and web meetings using Skype, GoToMeeting, WebEx and Zoom. I also do a lot of web presentations through PowerPoint and software. I am probably not the average consumer for this mic, since I wanted a really great setup to handle conference calls. My Bluetooth and USB headsets were irritating me in regards to voice quality. Maybe I am similar to a streamer? I tested it by connecting to my 2018 MacBook Pro and using QuickTime and Zoom to record simple audio clips. Like all the other reviewers say, this mic is built like a tank. Weighs 1 pound in an all-metal casing, really nice input and output jacks, touch panel is responsive and everything just feels like it was built with care and pride. Voice quality. I have this about 5 to 6 away from my mouth, with 50% gain, in neutral mode and my voice sounds really clear. Finally a setup that I can comfortably say it does exactly what I was looking for, which is crystal clear audio. And by crystal clear, I mean crystal clear to a fault. Since this is a condenser mic, it will literally pick up everything that remotely resembles a sound wave. My toddler banging toys around the hallway or whining? Yep. Someone washing their hands? Talking in the other room? Birds chirping outside while my window is closed? But my voice is still super clear. Yay! So how to remove the unwanted background noise from a condenser mic when using it in real time? Remember, I can't do post-processing because I am on a live conference call, not making a recording. Some reviewers will say lower the gain and get intimate with your mic, like really intimate. No thanks. I am on conference calls 4 to 5 hours a day. Others will say ditch the condenser mic and get a dynamic mic with XLR connection, run it through a USB audio interface into your computer, and problem solved. I don't have the Taj Mahal of desks to add more boxes on it. Solution for noise cancellation? Add a noise gate app, which is a bit of software on your computer that takes your audio, runs it through its algorithm to eliminate unwanted background noise, and outputs a cleaner version. I found one called Krisp AI, and as of May 2019 it is only available in Macs, but there are other noise gate apps available in Windows as well. Basically, under my Mac's input and output I have Krisp available as a selection, so in the Krisp app I choose the Shure MV51 as both the output and input, but in my web conference app I choose Krisp. And I kid you not, this app worked miracles. And by miracles I mean I was doing a test run and my 5-year-old started crying in the bathroom next door because he fell in the toilet, still potty training, and my recording picked up 0 crying. 0. And oh yeah, it doesn't pick up my keyboard or mouse clicks that are 3 inches from the mic. Safe to say, a noise gate was the way to go for me. Conclusion. Love this mic. Lots of great USB mics available out there, especially in the $150-200 range. I mainly chose this one because I liked the look of it, had good reviews, and there was a touch-sensitive mute button. Click link in description for more reviews.